If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and get the best tutorial on different learning topics. Also, hit bell icon to get notification on every upload so that you will not miss any of my video. Hi, myself Shriyukta. Welcome you to my channel Alaukik the Learning Space. Today, my topic is transfer data from one worksheet to another, and at the same time we will see how to transfer it from one workbook to another. Okay? There are multiple ways to transfer data, like we can just copy the data to another or transferring by using VBA. Now, I am going to tell you the simple way which will help you to get the data in new sheet which will be exactly same to its original. Just copying data and pasting it another sheet will serve the purpose of transfer. But what when we make a change in original one and miss to paste that data in place of copied cell? To avoid such mismatch, we better use this method which will keep your data updated. Okay, so let's start our work. Now on my screen you will see the total cell of North Zone, South Zone, East Zone and West Zone. The cell is of laptop, desktop and printer. It's a month-wise sale. Okay, what we are going to do, we are going to transfer the total cell to our summary sheet. Okay, you will see here it's a North Zone. We will just cross check the total cell. See, I have filled the data of laptop and desktop. So cross check it. The total cell of laptop for North Zone, it's 46. See, 46 is there. Okay. The total cell of desktop for South Zone, 42. South Zone, desktop, total cell 42. Okay. You must be thinking how I did this. Okay. So, I am going to do it practically. Okay. So, what we had to do, just enter is equal to and go to that cell sheet. We want the data of printer of North Zone. So, just select that particular cell and press enter. You will see I got the data here. Means we have to just use is equal to and go to that particular cell which data we want on this sheet. So, this is how we have transferred the data from one sheet to another. Okay, just fill the rest. Is equal to South Zone cell of printer. Select that cell, the total cell and is equal to here 33. The East Zone cell is equal to, go to that sheet, East Zone shell, just enter, is equal to total cell of printer, enter. Now we got the data transfer from the cell sheet to a summary sheet. Okay, so this is a year-wise sale. Okay, so let's move to our next topic, that is transfer data from one workbook to another. How we are going to do it? See, so this is my second workbook. Now I want that total cell which I have mention here. Now the total sale of all the product, that is laptop, desktop and printer. So the total sale of all the product of particular zone. So I want this 134 in my this workbook. So see, you will see transfer data to transfer data 1. Okay, so now I am going to transfer this data. So go to that transfer data to sheet is equal to, go to your first sheet, select the cell and press enter. The data appear here. Okay, don't just drag it. Okay, why it is so? You will see this dollar sign means this data is copied of that particular cell only. This dollar sign means absolute reference. It gives the reference of that particular cell only, that is E7. Okay, but we don't want that. We want the cell of South Zone. So just delete this. So instead of dragging it, do it one by one. Again is equal to, go to that sheet, select that cell, we got the result, is equal to, go to that sheet, select cell, enter, is equal to, select the cell, enter. Now this is how we have transfer data from one workbook to another. Okay, so you must be thinking, instead of doing this thing, I can just copy it. See, I will do it practically. Okay, I am going to copy the laptop data, that means the total sale of laptop. Just copy it and paste value. Okay, fine. Now we got 46. In first method also we got the result, but now I am deleting 5 months data. Now my total sale is 30 from Jan to July. So which means I have made some changes. Okay, let us see whether it reflect your, no. This is the main reason. Don't just copy and paste the data, because if we forget to paste here, we will not get the correct data. So what we are going to do is equal to, we got 30. So just fill the columns. Now I have filled 3 cells. Now total sale is 39. We will see it got reflected here. So this is the main reason. Just don't copy and paste the data, because at the time of submitting the data, it won't give the correct data. Fine. So I hope you have understood this topic. Practice it, and in case of any doubt, please write in comment box. If you like my video, just hit like button and share with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, Aloki the Learning Space. Thank you.